Spectacular. Have you ever been in the south of Italy? Apulia? Salento? If you have been, probably you already tried it. Now you can make it at home. If you have never been here, and now you will make it after you want to move to Italy. This is called Puccia con le olive. Is spectacular bread with olives. For the recipe, see you after the intro. Waiting for the yeast that melt in the water, I can read you the ingredient. So don't worry, you have also the list of the ingredient under the video. So if you will do this recipe another time, you don't remember the ingredient, you can check directly the list without watching the video again. So you need 500 grams of durum with semolina flour, 350 ml of water. Inside I put 50 grams of fresh yeast, because in Italy it's so easy to find. If you use dry yeast, 5 grams are enough. 10 grams of salt, 5 grams of sugar, 30 ml of extra virgin olive oil, that more or less are 2 tablespoons, and 150 grams of black olives. These one are the homemade from me. You already watched the video here on the channel. If you have kids and you have not the homemade one, buy the one without the pit inside, so to avoid any kind of problem, because you can break your teeth, they can eat the stone, many problems. If you use the homemade one, they need to learn how to eat it. If you buy it without stone. How does it work? Now that the yeast melt in the water, we can add half of the flour, stir very well. After, the sugar, the salt, the oil, stir very well, and the remaining flour. We cover our dough and we wait 1 hour. During this time I already take my basil, because now we prepare the tomato sauce for my eggplant parmigiana, parmesan, I don't know how you call it in English. Finally, Robert, I will do the video for you, but not now. So you will see the parmigiana in the next video. So see you in 1 hour. After 1 hour, the dough is already the double. We can add the olives. These one are with the pit, so remember, please be careful. 150 grams of olives. Mix the olives with the dough, we cover, and we should wait 30 minutes. After, we will shape our loaf of bread. Little bit of flour on the baking pot. And now we can shape our bread. Also a little bit of flour on the dough, so it will be easier. I will do 5-6 loaf of bread. Now we cover them and we turn on our oven at the maximum power without fan. When you reach the temperature, in Italy usually is 230-250 Celsius degree, you can put your bread inside the oven and bake for more or less 20 minutes. Keep an eye on your bread, especially the first time that you make it. and after 15 minutes at 250 Celsius degree, they are ready. If you want them more crunchy outside, you can leave a few minutes more, or you can decrease the temperature and increase the time. But because I want soft inside, the color now is perfect, so let's test it. The smell is really spectacular. Let's try first the olive. Spectacular. Is already olive and bread together. Perfect for an appetizer or aperitif. Let's try the bread without the olive. Spectacular, especially with the beer, homemade beer. Maybe if you make some homemade cheese or some homemade cold cut, together will be spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to let us know if you have been in Apulia, in Salento, so if you have tasted here, or if you try the recipe, let us know if you like it. Remember to share the video with your friends to help the channel to grow. Bye bye. Spectacular. After I will taste it with my homemade cheese, but you will see the video. You will see the recipe in a different video. Bye bye. Also, these homemade olives are really spectacular.